Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll begin by organizing data and initiating a Roboflow project. First, gather a representative set of images, varied lighting and angles, then create a workspace and new object detection project. Once done, upload an initial batch so you can iterate fast. You don't need everything at once. Label a small subset to test class clarity and adjust labels before scaling up. Make sure class names are consistent and distinct, because clean taxonomy reduces downstream confusion and speeds model convergence. Now you'll annotate, augment, and prepare data for training. Label every object using boxes or polygons while keeping consistent margins. Consistency matters for precise detection. Once labeling is stable, add controlled augmentations, flips, rotations, brightness jitter to improve generalization, but set sensible probabilities to avoid corrupting data. Next, use Roboflow's preprocessing. Resize, pad, and choose an export format like COCO. Finally, define splits, typically 70 train, 20 validation, 10 test, so you can monitor overfitting and measure. You'll finish by training, deploying, and handling problems. Choose a model and backbone, pick batch size and epochs, then start training in Roboflow or export the dataset to your own framework. Monitor metrics like MAP and precision/recall during validation. If recall is low, add more diverse or hard negative examples and reweight classes. Once satisfied, deploy via hosted API or export weights for edge. If things go wrong, a key troubleshooting tip: check label consistency and dataset leakage first. Inconsistent labels are the most common culprit.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.